Kids. ¡Qué divertido!
Hola, Creek Kids.
Dios nos perdona y nos restaura.
Mover los brazos. Hi, Creek Kids. This is Miss Luz. Hola, Creek Kids. Soy Luz Escobar. I am so excited that you're joining me for day 4 of our Super Speaking Spanish workshop. Today, we're going to be learning how to worship and sing in Spanish. Let me ask you questions. Do you guys like to worship at church or at home? That's a hard one for me. I love to come to church and worship with my friends and my family here at church, but in my quiet time, when I want to spend time with God, my best singing and my best worship is done at home. I put my stereo on full blast and I do my best singing at home. Can anyone tell me what worship is? The definition from the 1828 Webster's Dictionary says, worship is to honor with extravagant love and extreme submission. Who knows what extravagant means? Extravagant means over the top, overflowing. It's like if you asked me for a Hershey's Kiss, you asked me for one, and I gave you a whole bucket full of Hershey's Kisses. That is a lot of Hershey's Kisses, but that's just how it means. It's over the top. And then what was the second one? It's extreme submission. It's to obey and listen to anything and everything that person says. Worshiping is honoring God with great love and obedience. It's putting God at our top of our list. It's doing whatever He asks of us. True worship is a matter of our heart. It's living a life of holiness and honoring God in everything and all that you do. We worship God because He is the one true God. He is the creator of the universe. He deserves all our honor and praise. We worship with our whole lives, how we live and how we obey, but there's acts of worshiping, singing praises to God, tithing, and just doing acts of kindness. That's how we worship. But today we're going to focus on singing, and it's going to be done in Spanish. Did you know that you don't even have to know Spanish to sing in Spanish? I know! Psh, mind blown. But it's super fun and super exciting. And for that, I'm going to invite a special guest that you guys all know. She's our worship leader, Miss Raquel. So here's Miss Raquel.
Hola, Creek Kids.
Hey, Miss Raquel. Are you ready to join in on the fun?
Always.
Okay, so
Always.
Follow along as we teach you this song. It's called Hosanna. Get ready with your hands, and we're going to teach you guys the movements. Ready? Here we go. Okay. So the basic movements for this song are super simple. Hosanna, you're just going to place your hands around your mouth like if you're going to yell, and you're going to sing, Hosanna, oh, oh, Hosanna. And then it says, Alabemos al Señor. That means to praise and worship God. So you're going to move your hands back and forth. Alabemos al Señor. And then it says, aplaudir, which means clap your hands. And then you just start clapping. And then it says, mover los brazos, which means move your hands. You just move your hands, sway them back and forth. And then it says, tocar el bajo, and you just act like you're playing your air guitar. Jam out. You guys can do it. And the last part is, tocar la batería. So all you got to do is beat those drums really hard, really hard. And that's it. You guys can do it. So join us as we sing in Spanish.
Hosanna, oh, oh, Hosanna. Hosanna, oh, oh, Hosanna. Hosanna, oh, oh, Hosanna. Hosanna, oh, oh, Hosanna. Alabamos al Señor. Alabamos al Señor. Alabamos al Señor. Alabamos al Señor. Aplaudir. Mover los brazos, tocar el bajo y la batería, aplaudir, mover los brazos, tocar el bajo y la batería. Hey, Hosanna, oh, oh, Hosanna. Hosanna, Hosanna, oh, oh, Hosanna, Hosanna, oh, oh, Hosanna. Alabamos al Señor, alabamos al Señor, alabamos al Señor, alabamos al Señor. Aplaudir, mover los brazos, tocar el bajo y la batería. Aplaudir, mover los brazos, tocar el bajo y la batería. Hosanna, oh, oh, Hosanna, Hosanna, oh, oh, Hosanna, Hosanna, oh, oh, Hosanna, Hosanna, oh, oh, Hosanna.
Woo. Great job. Let's learn our memory verse for today. Okay, it's found in 1 Chronicles 16:23. It's let the whole earth sing to the Lord, proclaim his salvation from day to day.
Canten ao Señor toda la tierra, anuncien de día en día su salvación.
What an awesome day, Creek Kids. What a great time to worship and sing. Thank you guys for joining us today. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
Adios. Bye.
Adios.